Hi sir, possible na po ba mag-apply sa cruise ship on 19 years old with 1 year and 5 months experience sa 5-star hotel? Hey guys, it's me again, Jet, and welcome back for another episode of question and answer portion coming from Cedric. So Cedric, regarding sa question mo, regardless kung anong age mo is either 19, 20, 21, 22, or even higher pa ng 19 or lower than 19 pa, for as long as you have the experiences, pwede ka po mag-apply and you're qualified to work in a cruise ship. Basta po ang kailangan nyong gawin, pag nag-apply kayo, yung experiences nyo dapat are related dun sa position na ina-applyan nyo. And dapat wag lang kayo mag-stick dun sa isang agency, and dapat mas marami pa kayong applyan para at least mas marami kayo. The more you apply, the more chances of getting hired, di ba? So yun lang naman guys. So basta ang dapat meron na kayo niyan, asikasuhin nyo na yung passport nyo, seaman's book, and yung BT nyo. So hanapan nyo na ng time habang may ano pa kayo. Kung pwede kayo makapag-leave sa work, gawin nyo katulad ng ginawa ko before para at least mabilis na lang yung process. Hindi kayo magagahol for those upcoming trainings na kailangan na ipatake sa inyo ng agency nyo kung saan man yan. So I hope I answered your question, and sipagan nyo lang mag-apply. Huwag kayong tamarin, huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa pag na-reject kayo. Keep on trying and trying. Tapos pag may mga hiring guys, sasabihin ko kayo, magla-live naman ako, magpo-post ako, mag-green screen ako, and I will let you guys know para at least aware kayo kung ano yung mga agencies and mga companies na hiring for this year. So once again, I hope I answered your question. It's Megan Jed, and if you guys have more questions, comment down below and I'll get back to your questions as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching. Happy New Year!